It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer.
This is a great, more contemporary Christmas tune, but I think it's going to wind up being a Christmas classic. Written in 2011 and done by Justin Bieber and his producers. You only need these 4 baritone-friendly chords to play this song. But if you want to play it on a regular ukulele, you have these options. And I also have a full tutorial for the regular tuning on the ukulele as well. I've got 4 different strums for you. I've got easy, standard with some spice, and then something more authentic to the sound of Justin Bieber's recording. Let's dive in and do it. You don't have to do a fancy strumming pattern or do this song. You can do simple down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do 2 patterns of these twice, so it feels like you're doing 4 down strums per chord, and the chords just repeat over and over again. So let's just do that together. Keep it simple. 1, 2, here we go. G, 2, 3, 4, and D. 2, 3, 4, and E minor. 2, 3, 4, and C. 2, 3, 4. It goes back to G and just keeps repeating. I do want to bring attention to the bridge because there's an E minor here, and you only do 2 down strums on that. It only gets 4 beats, and then you go to a C. Merry, Merry Christmas, and it's only 4 beats long too. This song works great with an island strum, so let's do it with our repeating chord pattern. 1, 2, here we go. G, twice, and a D, twice, and an E minor, and a C. There's a part in the bridge that I talked about with the other strumming pattern. You've got an E minor and it only gets 1 pattern of the island strum on it, and I've color coded it in yellow, and that's followed by a C, which is only 4 beats long. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go back to G. If you want to add some spice, you can add a chuck on the second down strum of the island strum. Down, and that works great. If you're not a chucker and still want to spice it up, here's a substitute. Instead of chucking, you can strike the body of your instrument with your hand, and I'm hitting it with my fingernails. So I'm kind of curving my hand like this, down, up, down, hit up, down, hit up, down, hit up, down. This will still take a little bit of work, just like the chuck, but it's easier to get a good sound on this. So you can give that a try. Let's do it either with the chuck or a hit. 1, 2, here we go. G, and G again, and D, D again, and E minor, and a C. When you hear Justin Bieber do this, the emphasis is not on 1 and 3, it's on 2 and 4. So we've got to de-emphasize 1 and 3. And so how do we do that? Well, here's my solution. We're going to take a 2-beat strum, but on the first down strum, instead of making it a full sounding down strum, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this portion of my hand and I'm going to touch my D string, the string closest to my face, and so I'm going to kind of mute that string and I'm going to pluck it with my thumb, pluck. Then I'm going to strum 2 with my index finger, and then I'm going to flick up on my E string. So it adds a little bit of a little funk. Because it's a 2-beat strum, you're going to have to play 4 patterns of that on each chord. So let's give that a try. 1, 2, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3. And as I'm realizing I'm playing this, I probably would take off my watch to do that. My watch keeps hitting the body and kind of adding a little extra percussion sound that I really don't want. Do me a favor, would you please? Like this video, leave me a comment. I respond to all my comments, which means that I read them all. So I'd love to hear from you. What do you think? Is this going to be a Christmas classic? How new are you to the baritone? Things like that. Do you prefer a regular ukulele or baritone on this? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, well, consider doing that too. And thanks to everybody that's already subscribed. I have a Patreon community, and thank you so much to my patrons because your important financial support helps keep free content on YouTube going. So thank you so very much. Let's do a play along.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you, shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe. Everyone's gathering around the fire, chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the street, Santa's coming tonight. Reindeers flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you, shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe with you, shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe. Hey love, wise men follow the star, way I follow my heart, and it led me to a miracle. Hey love, don't you buy me nothing, 'cause I am feeling one thing. Your lips are my lips. It's a merry, merry Christmas. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, and I'ma be under the mistletoe with you, shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe with you, shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe. Kiss me underneath the mistletoe. Show me, baby, that you love me so. Oh, 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 yeah. Kiss me underneath the mistletoe. Show me, baby, that you love me so. Oh, 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 yeah.
Well, let me know what you think. How did that go for you? Do you like it playing on the baritone? I know my voice likes it better on the baritone. I have a complete Christmas playlist and I'm adding more baritone content to it, so check it out over here. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and you can get a copy of the chord chart down below in the description. There's a link. Oh, don't forget forget to like and subscribe.